Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. Okay, so itong reading na ito is for Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Okay. Wait lang guys, sinusulat ko kasi kung ano tong reading na ito para hindi ko makalimutan. Anyway, this is soulmate reading. Take only what resonates ha. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Kung hindi, okay lang yon. May mga next readings pa naman. Kung makaka-relate ka, pwedeng hindi 100%. And yung mga roles, pwede magkapalit-palit. Anyway, if you want to book a personal reading, pumunta ka na lang sa TikTok, mag-avail ka ng aming available na bracelets na may kasama siyang personal reading. Ayan, yung TikTok is Unipre. Yeah, let's start. What do we have here for the sign of Virgo? Soulmate reading for Virgo dealing with their soulmate. Sun, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. By the way, naggagawa na ako or may mga ginagawa akong astrological reading. You might want to check it out doon sa Unicorn Princess Tarot na channel. Yan. And I also do astrological reading kung gusto mong magpa-reading sa akin. Mabigyan ka ng guide with regards to your career, with regards to your love. What do we have here for Virgo? King of Wands is here. Two of Swords. Ayan. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And the bottom of the deck, you do have here the Ace of Swords. Okay. You're having this, itutuloy ko ba? Hindi. Itutuloy ko ba? Hindi. You know, you can't decide for now. Nakikita natin, pwedeng wala ka pang enough courage to pursue something, no? Na talagang, ito yung gusto ng heart mo. Like, maybe you want something, pero mas nangingibabaw sa'yo yung Ace of Swords, which is yung mind mo, yung utak mo. I feel like something, yung iba sa inyo, something to do with travel, maybe regarding to do with your goals, or maybe regarding relationship. You know, nandun yung in and out na pag-iisip, pabago-bago ng isip, kasi you don't know what to do sa ngayon. I feel like you're trying to be, you know, this person na medyo egoistic, sabihin natin ganun. Medyo tinataas mo yung ego mo ngayon. Kasi ayaw mong maging mahina and, you know, showing your emotions, nagpapakita ito ng kahinaan. And, okay. Some of you, hindi mo nagugustuhan yung mga tao sa paligid mo. Like, you don't like how they treat you or kung ano yung mga pinagsasabi nila sa'yo. Or maybe this is a particular person na pwedeng nagiging dahilan. Could be a friend or maybe relationship with someone na pwedeng hindi mo na gugustuhan yung mga ginagawa or sinasabi sa'yo na nagiging dahilan kung bakit parang hindi ka rin makapag-decide and yeah. Anyway, kunin natin yung energy ng person na kakonect mo. For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Sana nakaka-relate ka, no? But anyway, pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba. Kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys. Sino tong person na kakonect ni Virgo? Sino yung soulmate ni Virgo? This is a soulmate reading, guys, ha? Oh! Guys, wait lang. May naamoy akong parang patay na daga. I don't know kung may something ba na namatay dyan malapit sa area nyo. Like, maybe an animal, a pet, or something. Okay. 8 of Swords, 7 of Swords. May conflict or problem pagdating sa inyo nito person na to. Like, both of you are thinking of each other, pero pareho kayong nagmamatigas, or both of you are not being real pagdating sa inyong emotions. This person with the 7 of Swords, I feel like gusto niyang mag-decision ka na or gumawa ka na, or vice versa. Maybe this is you na gusto mong malaman yung decision nitong taong to. or kung ano yung emotions niya bago ka makapag-decide or bago ka mag-desisyon. The Seven of Swords, itong person na to, like, nakakita tayo ng gusto niyang mag-take ng risk. Yeah. And, pero may mga gusto siyang kunin. The Strength card is here na nagkakaroon ng transformation with regards dito sa taong ito. Pwede nagkakaroon ng transformation sa kanyang paniniwala, sa kanyang tradisyon, sa kanyang mga nakalakihan. And maybe regarding sa relationship, nagkakaroon din ng pagbabago doon. Malapit nang magkaroon ng malaking pagbabago or transformation. Unti-unting nagkakaroon na ngayon ng pagbabago. And also kasama din dito yung kanyang mga wishes, hopes, and yung pananaw niya regarding sa future. This person is medyo nagkakaroon siya ng interest with regards afterlife, kung ano yung mga nakatago or maybe regarding sa mystery about your connection. Pwedeng nagkakaroon siya ng question doon, bakit parang nai-interest ako sa ganitong bagay, and maybe, may kinalaman sa occult, like, or maybe sa kanyang purpose, no? Pwedeng nagka-question na siya dun sa mga bagay na yan. And, tell me more messages here for the sign of Virgo and their soulmate. You do have here the Eight of Pentacles, the Magician, and the Sun, Five of Wands, the Ace of Cups, the Six of Swords. Okay, you do have here the Six of Wands at the bottom of the deck and the Queen of Wands here. Okay, and nagpakita rin sa atin yung Moon. Two of Cups is also here. And the Moon. Ayan. You're focused on learning. You're focused on improving yourself. This is you na pwedeng career, work, or studies ang focus mo ngayon. And with the Magician, you're creating possibilities. I feel like, lalo na kung, kung inborn or, hindi lang nito lang yung pagka-interest mo sa mga bagay na may kinalaman sa occult or tarot or mystery, lalo na kung matagal na, like maybe college days or elementary days mo pa lang talagang malapit ka na sa mga ganitong klaseng usapin. But, I can see you being more, sabihin na natin, mas detalyado or mas naisa sa buhay mo ito. So, yeah, especially ngayon, that's why you're watching tarot readings kasi ginagamit mo ito as your guide, no? Sa pamumuhay mo or sa yung iba, daily activities. Talagang hindi mawawala yung panonood ng mga tarot, or pag-aalam regarding sa mga bagay na ito. Kasama na siya sa system mo. Which is, with the Sun, wait lang, iinom lang ako. Okay. Kaya nga with the Sun, I feel like unti-unti mo nang nabubuo ang iyong identity, personality, and maybe some of you are improving your appearance. Ini-improve mo yung iyong sarili, ang appearance mo, ang pagtingin sa'yo ng ibang tao. Some of you, wala ka nang pakialam kung ano sasabihin ng iba. Some of you, maybe everything is hidden in the past, no? So tinatago mo yung mga regarding dito sa mga paniniwala na to or whatsoever. But now, parang you're being proud. You know, wala ka na pakialam sa sasabihin ng iba kasi you believe what you believe. No? Sila mga sarado isip nila whatsoever. And also at the same time, some of you pwedeng mapalapit sa mga natural na something to do with medicine, mga ganon. Pwedeng I don't know if you're a pharmacist, pero yung iba pwedeng magiging mas natural yung living, you know. Pwedeng gagawa ka ng sarili mong sabon, gagawa ka ng sarili mong skincare, you know, or magkakaroon ka ng pag-aaral regarding dito kung ano kayang mas maganda na food na makakatulong sa aking health, sa aking mind, sa aking body. So, this is what you're focusing here. And yeah, yung sinabi ko nga pwedeng may kinalaman sa studying or pag-aaral. And you are focusing on yourself because, you know, Sun this is you being more happy, being more contented, and focusing on daily activities. Now, punta tayo sa side ng person mo. There's a lot of love mula dito sa taong to, but with the 5 of Wands, tinatry niyang labanan. So, nilalabanan niya, and I feel like this person wants to be like you. Gusto niya maging katulad mo. Like, maybe you are free. You are, if you're single and you're dealing with someone who is in a relationship, although this is soulmate connection, yung iba kasi sa inyo pwedeng may attachment. So, hindi to para sa lahat. Para lang doon sa may mga attachment. Itong person na wants freedom. Gusto niya rin niya ng freedom. I want to be free as a bird like you. Diba? So, if you are single, gusto ko rin maging single. Parang ganun yung sa person na ito. There's a lot of admiration and love mula dito sa taong to, pero nahihirapan siya. This person feels like marami siyang kalaban sa ngayon para makuha yung bagay na gusto niya, and maybe may kinalaman sa'yo. Nakakamoy ako ng gatas. Hindi ko alam kung nagpapapak ka ba ng gatas ngayon. Literal yung gatas na powder. So, or maybe minsan mo nang ginawa yon, or this is one of your favorite yung magpapak ng gatas tapos may asukal, gano'n. Ginawa ko rin yung dati ng bata ako, no? So, ang sarap. But anyway, this could be a reading. The Ace of Cups, I feel like yung pagmamahal, okay. Minaamoy na naman ako. It's like menthol, yung sinisinghot sa ilong. Or, ano man tawag doon? Inhaler, yan. Yung ganong amoy. Something to do with menthol. Anyway, take only what resonates, guys. 6 of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Ito yung person na ito na parang with regards sa mga past traumas sa buhay niya, unti-unti niya nang naunawaan or naintindihan ito. Kung ano man yung mga bagay or mga taong nawala sa buhay niya in the past. Maybe may bagay or may feeling na itong person na ito in the past hindi niya matanggap yon, but then ngayon nagkakaroon siya ng understanding regarding dito sa bagay na to. Na parang ito, kaya ito nawala, kaya ito nabago because might be dapat lang, diba? Dapat lang talaga sila mawala or mabago, or maybe something to do sa mga bagay na yumao or nawala, or hindi magagandang pangyayari with regard sa kanyang childhood. Yeah. And yeah, regarding home or sa mga kinalakihan, or maybe regarding parents, family. And I can see the sign of Virgo. So, you could be dealing with a Virgo. Nagkakaroon siya ng realization dun, and pwedeng naka-move on na siya regarding dun. And somehow nakatulong itong experience or connection ninyo para maka-move on siya sa kanyang mga childhood traumas. Okay? So, what will happen in the future for the both of you? In the near future, you do have here the Knight of Wands, the Moon. I like this combination kasi yung Sun is nandito and then nandito yung Moon. And the Death card. Wow. In the near future for you, you do have here the Ten of Swords. Ten of Wands. 10 of Cups. Oh, wow. Page of Wands. Oh. Ano ang outcome nito? I want to get the outcome of this. Queen of Swords. 4 of Cups. 9 of Wands. Clarify the 9 of Wands. 3 of Cups. Okay. Wait lang guys. Pagpasensya mo na yung card ko. Talagang favorite ko kasi isa to sa favorite ko. Yung isa is actually the most favorite card. Hindi ko na siya magagamit. Sad to say. Nabasa kasi siya. Tsaka wala na talaga. Wala lang. Shinare ko lang. Anyway, in the future, you do have your Knight of Wands. Something is going to make you happy. No? Makakapagpasaya sa'yo kasi this is with the Death card, Death and Rebirth. This is something na nawala sa'yo or nag-end sa'yo, but then it is coming back. It is may magbabalik sa nakaraan mo na parang maybe I can see father or father figure or maybe a friend or maybe someone who is very close to you na babalik siya. Maybe I can see pagta-travel mula dito sa taong to or vice versa. Maybe you are going to travel to meet this person. And I feel like with the Moon, yeah, this is I see this energy as very sacred. Like babalik ito because there's a spiritual cycle sa inyo nitong taong ito or nitong pagbabalik nitong person na ito sa buhay mo. Like, may purpose siya. Kaya siya babalik sa buhay mo. And this time, I can see a lot of growth sa inyong dalawa. And whoever this person is, nakakita tayo ng commitment and relationship sa inyo, maybe business, personal relationship, even marriage or partnership, na nakikita natin pwedeng mailagay sa public or like public or some of you yeah I feel like this time pagbalik itong connection na to with this person, mas magiging mas powerful siya. Pwedeng marami kayong anong tawag dito? Ma-impluwensyahan na tao. Or maraming taong magiging involved sa connection ninyo na pati sila ay makakatulong or makakatulong kayo sa kanila. Okay? But yeah, some of you, the Ten of Wands, Ten of Cups, with regards to this person, nakita tayo ng endings. A lot of endings. No? Especially Ten of Swords is also showing here at the bottom of the deck. So, maraming ending ang maaaring mangyari dito sa person na ito. And I feel like itong ending na ito can bring back this person towards you. Mababalik yung connection with the Page of Wands and or with the Ten of Swords. I feel like I can see this mga uwak na itong nasa taas. It's like your person's spirit guide na parang ginaguide papunta sa'yo. No? And yeah, the Chariot is here. Nakita tayo ng magiging tulay para makabalik itong person na ito or magkaroon ng connection ulit sa inyo. You know, magkakaroon ng tulay or magkakaroon ng daan. Like, yeah, communication. So, maybe in the past, yung nagkakaroon ng connection or communication, maybe through school, through siblings, yung dahil sa mga kapatid, ganyan, or dahil sa school, or maybe regarding mga, pero maliitan lang or saglitan na komunikasyon. But this time, I can see yung pagbabalik ng taong na ito na magkakaroon ng routine yung communication or connection ninyo. And this is like telling you to have faith sa connection, especially to God. Kasi nakakita tayo ng dance. It's kind of parang sayaw ng buhay ninyo nitong taong ito. Katulad ng magpartner na nagsasayaw, there are times na may magkakahiwalay, pero kasama yun sa sayaw ng buhay ninyo. Okay? Para mapakita mo yung galing mo, ganyan, and mapakita rin niya yung galing niya. Pero kasama yun para sa connection na ito. And actually, at the end, I can see reconciliation. This is the outcome. With the 9 of Wands, parang wala na makakapigil dito sa reconciliation na to. No? And you do have here the 4 of Cups, which is, this is reality and illusion, or reality at imagination. Pero mas nakikita natin na yung imagination ay inilalagay sa realidad, lalo na with the Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords is a realistic person. And the Queen of Swords is someone focusing on career, focusing on this is a person who really knows what she wants, kung anong gusto niya. And I feel like pagdating sa connection ninyo, magbibigay ng daan or ng tulay para magkaroon ng connection or komunikasyon sa inyong dalawa. Okay? And a high chance of pagta-travel for some of you. So I am just seeing some additional message, especially if you are this person na mahilig magpamasahe or magpa-massage ng likod, or maybe recently lang nagpamasahe ka. Okay? Kung mahilig ka magmamasahe, maybe there's routine, no? Talagang nagpapatawag ka ng masahista sa bahay. Or have you ever tried ventosa? Ventosa ba yun? Yung parang nilalagyan ng baso yung likod, parang if you ever tried that, maybe this is your reading. I can see na some of you may ganong experience. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. Take only what resonates. Hindi to para sa lahat because not everyone is connecting or dealing with their soulmate. I love you all. Please do like and subscribe. And if you want to book a personal reading, pumunta ka na lang sa TikTok, Unipre, search mo to. Thank you and bye-bye.